So my name is Trey Harrison. I'm a mechanical engineer from Clemson University, and this is actually my fourth rotation at AFL. I've completed a co-op and I've been hired back on for a portion of this summer to continue work, and I've actually gotten a different experience every time I've been here. And as a mechanical engineer, I'm responsible for making a lot of our prototype designs and for products that are coming up and being designed by our engineers. My job was to come in and take this little design and turn it into something completely industrial. So I was able to actually design a pump system with a holding tank, a application tank, and hooked it into the feed water system and into the drain. Got everything environmentally approved, and was actually able to design the entire system myself from the prototype and industrialize it. I'm in the building that's just right next door from where my previous rotations were, but it's been so cool to see that just right next door how different a company can be from the manufacturing side of things, where everything is much more time-oriented. You always have deadlines, project goals, things that you have to do, where in design it's much more a flowing process and ideas can ebb and flow, and the goal of the project stays the same, but it's not always a strict deadline. Now, while there are still deadlines, it's much different environment than the manufacturing area. I now am able to say, well, I've completed these three major projects while I've been on my actual co-op rotations, and in this fourth rotation I can say I've gotten experience in prototyping, and I know how to operate 3D printers, and I've got experience in how they operate in one older technology and one brand new one. And being able to say that is great for your resume, so whenever someone asks me a question, I don't have to just go to a lab that I wrote that could be inapplicable to anything I'd ever actually do. I can say, well, when I worked, I actually did this. Everywhere I've been, if you want to learn something, people are so willing to share their knowledge and help increase my knowledge, the co-op's knowledge, so that it's not just beneficial to AFL, they want it to be beneficial to their co-ops that come in and work as well. Academic experience only takes you so far. You need to be able to show that whenever you graduate, to set yourself apart from others, that you have worked on this project, you have designed an industrial system that is now being used in a plant and is a working product. Sometimes you're confronted with challenges, but it's worth it to be able to have that experience whenever you graduate.